Welcome to the Cherokee Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2006 New Holland BR780A with 8800 bales. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales in its variable bale chamber and features a hydraulic bale tensioner and dual gauge wheels, along with auto twine wrap control and an electronic bale counter. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR780A. Interested in this round baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-866-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.